name is Sarik and I am highly delighted to have this wonderful opportunity to speak something about my best friend. First of all, I would like to give my thanks to Deepak Sinha sir who provided me this wonderful opportunity to speak something about my best friend. There is a common question is what is friendship and whom we call friend. Now friend is a boon given by God. And when two hearts are filled with true love towards each other, then that relationship is called friendship. Friendship means enjoyment. Friendship means we can easily share our secret to each other and with each other. And by the way, I have a lot of friends, some in my school, some in my institutions. And if I talk about my best friend, he is none other than he is none other than he is my childhood friend. His name is Harsh Bhardwaj. He is not a common boy. He is something different. He is unique in the world. And sometimes I feel I am very lucky to have such friend as Harsh Bhardwaj. And when I was in 5th standard, I met him first time. And now we are in 11th standard. Basically, he was born in Madras in 2006. But he lives in New Delhi because he is local of New Delhi. And he has really killing look. And his goggle at lustered at on his face. And he has good command over his mathematics, and he knows how to behave with each other. If I talk about his family background, that his father's name is Babulal Sharma and he is doing work in private company, and his mother's name is Indu Sharma and she is a housewife, and he has also a elder brother. His name is Abhishek Sharma and he is a software engineer in Noida sector 22. And I feel very proud to say that his grandfather was a martyr. And his grandfather sacrifices his whole life. Only the age of 38, he sacrificed his life in Nagaland in 19... He sacrificed his whole life in Nagaland in the year of 1964. And I also feel very proud to tell that thing. And really he has a good he has good sense of product. He wears neat and clean clothes and we go to school together, and he is very punctual boy, and he does not use any type of abusive language while speaking with us, while talking with us. That thing is really appreciable in him. And he has good knowledge about cars. In the being of car lover, he knows each and everything about the car. He also wants to be a soldier like his grandfather, and he also wants to join army, and he is doing very hard work to achieve that goal, and we are preparing for our board examination. And he has done a lot of things for me. And he is not only my best friend, because why I'm saying that, because he treats me as a younger brother, and he understands my thoughts. He understands my feelings. He understands my feelings. Whatever I have done, and he is not a fair weather friend. If I am in trouble, if he has opportunity to help me, he will surely help me, and he also helps me. That thing I really like him, and now I consider him. That thing I really like in him. That's why I considered him my best friend. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Gulshan Kumar before you. Today I'm highly delighted to get this opportunity to speak something on my best friend. Friend means a lot. Friend means happiness. Friend means joy. Friend means helping hand. A friend is a God gift for us. A friend is someone who brings a smile on us. I am obsessed with a friend whose name is Tarun. He's on my same age. And he brings a smile on my face whenever I feel demotivated and I feel bad. Feel demotivated and I feel bad. I go to him and I become very happy. And first time we met in tuition, and that time I was very obsessed to meet him. That was a very precious moment for me when I first time met him. When we met first time, I don't know who is he, but after the time passes, we came to know each other, that our hobbies are same. And I quietly wait for a moment when we meet in tuition, and whenever he didn't come in tuition, I felt very lonely. And and after 2 years have passed now, and now we are same best friends, and we do almost everything together. We completed our matriculation examination last year, and now we are in same stream. He helps me in every situation, and he's the reasons that I would like him most is most him is there are many reasons that I like him, but it would be difficult to tell everything about him, even though I will try. The best thing is that he's very honest. He's honest to his studies, honest towards our relationship, and we are very good friends, and even we are very good friends even today. And he is honest with me, not me but also others. He is very honest. And second one, he is a good sportsman. I did not play a lot football, but after meeting him, he taught me how to play football. Whenever I need any notes and need any kind of help, he will be with me. He helps me. And third one is he is a determined person. His determination towards his goal is
He has strong determination towards his goal.
he has strong determination towards his goal. He is disciplined. He is also a disciplined person.
He's also a disciplined boy.
He's also a disciplined boy. And because I quietly wanted to be like him, because he's a disciplined, he is a determined person. And he is although our goals are not same. His goals are different. His goal is different, and my goal is different, but we both want to achieve success in our life. He is my friend whom I don't have any picture in my phone, but he's the one that I have a lot of picture in my heart. And he's also he's fond of watching movies and listening to music. And this is the common reason between him and me. And this is
That is why we are good friends.
that's why we are good friends. So whenever we meet each other, we talk to our study, we talk to our about
We
our
talk about our study.
we talk about our studies, we talk about other things also. And every Sunday we go to play football in our nearest park. And he is although we do not meet each other because he's in other school, he's in other school, I'm in other school, and our time
He's in a different school.
he's in different school, I'm in different
I'm also in a different school.
I'm also in different school. And although we do not meet each other now, but I think he's the one who will always help me in my every situation. Whenever I get stuck in any problem, he helps me. And there are also many things that I like him most.
That is why I like him most.
That is why I like him most. There is no dearth of fair weather friends in this world, but I am obsessed to get a friend like him. I can't express my views about him. He is not only my best friend now, he is like a brother for me, who helps me, who helps me, and who teaches me many things. Because of him, now I came to know many things. Because he taught me computer, and he taught me playing a game. He taught me many things. There are many things that he had taught me. And now I would like to finish my speech by saying that a friend is indeed. We need to make a good friend that he will help in our hard times. We need to make good friends, not bad friends. We need to make good friends that he will also help in order to achieve success in life. Thank you.